Hello guys, and today we're going to be taking a look at the drill down mapping feature of AKCPro Server. So here I've already got a drill down mapping set up. I grabbed this from Google Earth and we're able to zoom out and zoom in. And you can see I've added a location here, which is one of our drill down locations. So I can double click on this and it will zoom me into that area. And then there's another location you can see here, which we can zoom in on, and so on. So I've got several layers here that we can drill down until I get to my final site. So here's our test data center with our various cabinets here, our UPS batteries, generator room, and some security sensors on the doors. So I've been able to drag and drop from our Server Explorer space here on the left over onto the map some of our sensors. So if I wanted to say edit one of these, this is the current for server 04. So if I select that, over here we can customize these markers. So if I go to edit selected marker, I can change it to be an image, an area polygon. We'll stick with our standard shapes and I'll go with a triangle for this. And then we can choose the size of the icon that we want to have. So we'll change this to medium, no flashing, and then we can add some text here. So this particular sensor is the current of server 04, and maybe we want to show the actual value there on the map. So for that we can use these macros here. The macro that we're going to need to use is going to be the value macro. So if we were to say this is the server 04, and then we'll add our macro for the value, and go to next and finish. You'll see now we have server 04 and then the value in amps that server is currently drawing there, which is 0.03 amps load we've got on this at the moment. So that's how you can set up these drill down maps with some custom icons here, and then if you want to drag those icons around, we can unlock the map and we can drag it to wherever we would like it to be, and then we can lock the map again. Now I do have one further level of drill down here. I've set up a rack map for the first of our cabinets here, and if we click on that we drill down to the actual rack, and here now we've got our sensor status light, we've got the thermal map, the temperature differential front to rear, and also we've got a swing handle lock on here too. So you can see I can also remotely unlock the cabinet. If I select that, it will then unlock the cabinet. I can see now the door is open, and then I'm able to also lock it again remotely. So you can remotely from this software lock and unlock your cabinets, as well as see if it's been opened or closed by an RFID tag as well. So that's our drill down mapping feature, or just a quick preview of it. Hope you found this useful. As usual, you can go over to our website akcp.com where you can download the AKCPro Server for free and play around with it yourselves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.